Hello everyone, I am Daniel's son. This series of videos are for children who are learning English. It is very helpful for every child because it can lay a good foundation for your pronunciation. Therefore, you are welcome to read along with my series and don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. Enjoy. First Little Readers, Birthday Surprise by Deborah Schecter. I have paper. I have paper. I have scissors. I have scissors. I have ribbon. I have ribbon. I have glue. I have glue. I have stickers. I have stickers. I have crayons. I have crayons. I have a birthday card for you. I have a birthday card for you.